Hey, so today I want to show you a very nice trick using Git. So suppose you have a repo and you got a feature that is quite big and makes you alter quite a lot of things, and you want to be able to compare it to the master, for example. So usually what you do is you start checking out from one branch to another, lose context, lose files, and it's quite cumbersome. Other option you got is to open a browser with your GitHub project and look up things over there. And again, it's not very convenient, especially when you take into account the fact that you don't have your tooling, your IDEs and stuff like that. So now let's have a look and see how Git Worktrees help us out here in these situations. Essentially what it does is it creates a new folder with your target branch. This allows you to have multiple versions of your project. So now let's take a look at how it works. I have an empty project called Git Worktree. I'm going to do git init. Great. I'm going to create a new file called, before that, I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to create, sorry. I'm going to create a new file called foo, and it has the word foo in it, as you can see. Then I'm going to commit it, git add. I have this new file. I'm going to commit new foo. Great. Now I got my new feature. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to create my bar branch. Next, I'm going to create a new file called bar. As you can see, I have it over here and I have it over here in my directory. Now I'm going to commit it, git add new bar. So I have two files. So far, nothing interesting, right? Two branches, bar, master, all good. So suppose I want to compare the foo file I have on my master. The solution is very simple. All I'm doing is I'm going to do git worktree add. Let's call it master. Now please know that the relative path, it shouldn't sit inside your folder. It should be elsewhere, okay, because it creates a new copy of your project. And the second argument is the branch I want to take. So once I hit that, okay, it created a new folder. As you can see, I have Git Worktree master, and if I look at it now, I don't have bar. Okay, it vanished, and here I still have bar. So now I can run the projects simultaneously. Suppose it's a web app, or I don't know, some sort of server, and I want to see how things change, look at tests, or whatnot, and make some changes over here. So suppose I'm gonna do vim. I'm gonna go into foo. Great. I'm in foo. And here I'm going to open the master version, and I can see that foo is foo, and suppose I'm going to say foo is 2. Great, I'm done here. I am committing my new change. Sorry, beta foo. Great. I can look at my logs. I can compare it to the logs I have here on the master. Okay, so as you can see, it's completely different projects. I'm gonna exit here. I'm gonna exit. Now I'm gonna go to my master, git gco master. So as you can see, it doesn't let me check out to master because there is already a checked out version of it. So basically all I need to do is remove the work tree. Okay, git work tree, remove master, and as you can see, it's not here, right? Okay, the folder is removed, it's not here, and now I can go to master. I can merge. Usually you won't have this issue because probably gonna merge over GitHub or GitLab or I don't know, Bitbucket. But okay, so I'm on master and I can see the changes and I can see that foo equals 2 now. And I also got my bar over here and everything is as expected. So it's a very nice way of doing things. Highly recommend it, especially when you have big changes coming in. Have a great day.